Headline Essay on International AIDS Day. Number 1. Good morning, everyone. Today, I will talk about International AIDS Day. Observed observed annually, observed annually on December 1st. This day aims to raise awareness about HIV/AIDS, a global health issue affecting millions. Number third, it is an opportunity to support those living with HIV and remember those who lost their life their lives to AIDS. Number fourth, the theme of for each year, the theme for each year encourages action and unity to fight this disease. Fight this disease. Number five, HIV spreads through unprotected unprotected sex, sharing needles, and palm, and from mother to child during childbirth, but it can be prevented. Number six, advancements advancements in medicine such as anti anti retroviral therapy ART made have made living with HIV more manageable. Number seven, education and awareness are the key to eliminating stigma and preventing new infections. Government number 8. Government, NGOs, and communities. And communities work together to provide better healthcare and support. Number 9. Let us pledge. Let us pledge to promote compassion and awareness about HIV slash AIDS. Number 10. Together we can work towards a world free of AIDS. A world free of AIDS. Thank you.